My dear students, I am your social teacher, MVM School, Yelahanka, Newton. Children, today's lesson Important Dynasties of South India, Part 2. So, first South Indian dynasties Shatavahanas and Kadambas. Today's teaching points Shatavahanas, important king Gautami Putra Shatakarni, contribution of Shatavahanas. Kadambas, Mayuravarma, contribution of Kadambas. So this is the Shatavahana dynasty can rule. So in southern parts only children. Shatavahanas. So already we know that important dynasties of South India. So this is the South Indian first dynasty also. So we can separate North India and South India. So Vindhya mountains separate North and South India. The area between the Vindhya mountains, so that is in northern side, and Kanyakumari in the south is called South India or Deccan region also. The Shatavahanas, many dynasties, Shatavahanas, Kadambas, Gangas, Chalukyas, Rashtrakutas and Pallavas have been the important dynasties of this region. South Indian dynasties. So, important dynasties of South India. So, Shatavahanas, the first dynasty also. So, early time. So, before Christ 230, before Christ only can started ruling. The most important dynasty that ruled in South India in Shatavahanas. After Mauryas, Shatavahanas are believed to be Kannadigas. So can ruled the between the land between the Godavari and Krishna river. They were the first vassals of Chandragupta Maurya and were paying tributes to him. In 220 before Christ, Simukka became the independent and made Srikakulam his capital. Who is the founder of Shatavahanas? Simukka. Simukka is the first king and he is the founder of the Shatavahana dynasty. So, first Shatavahanas are believed to be Kannadigas also, and the name of this king are said to be in Kannada. So many kings. So Shatavahana's dynasty capital also Paitana, Pratisthana. So Paitana also is capital nearest Maharashtra district. The greatest king of this dynasty was Gautami Putra Shatakarni. So who is the founder of this dynasty children? Simukka. So most famous king Gautami Putra Shatakarni. So he brought back the glory of Shatavahanas, which was a brink of decline. So at the end also can rule. He is the Gautami Putra Shatakarni. He was the most important and prominent king of this dynasty. He had done away with their bitter enemies of the kingdom. Many kings. So many kings can started and occupied the Shatavahana dynasty. So Sakas, Yavana, Pallavas. So he repaid many kings. His empire was extended to regions of Konkana, Saurashtra, Malwa, Bihar, etc. He was Vahana. So three sides. So this is southern dynasty. Three sides only water bodies is there. That's why he called it Tri Samudra Toya Pitavahana. In English, one who has a horse for riding that has drunk the water of three seas. Got a title. So what are the contributions? So it can minted gold coins also. It can give the importance of construction of buildings also. So it can give many contribution. So first religion. He was Shatavahanas especially can followed Vedic religion. As for the information is an inscription. It is known that they were worshipping the god Praneshwara, Pranaveshwara of Telagunda in Shumaga district. They extended their patronage to Buddhist also. So you can give the encourage the many people can follow the Buddhism. They built Buddhist religion center in Nasik, Karle, Kanheri, and Amaravati. During this period, in Shatavahana time, worship of god like Ganesha, Vishnu, and Surya were in practice. So many gods is there. Most important Vishnu, Ganesha, and Surya can worshipped. So literature and education. Prakrit was the administrative language of Shatavahanas. So that is the early time, the Prakrit language. Their inscription are also in Prakrit language only. Next, Brahmin script. King Hala wrote a book called Gata Saptasati. In Prakrit, Gunadhya wrote Vaddakatha and Sarvavarma wrote Kat, Kant, Katantra Vyakarana. Agrahara were established to be provide education. Children, now many schools and colleges there, but early time before Christ, so that is only Agraharas, Matas, and Choudhuries only the education center. That's why so can give the importance of education and literature also. That's why can construct the Agraharas and Talagunda of Shivamogga district was the major educational center. So that is before in Shatavahana's time, that is the famous educational center. Architecture. Shatavahanas have contributed a lot to a field of architecture. Many chaityas, viharas, stupas were built in this period. Chaitya is a prayer hall of Buddhist. Can construct viharas, the place where Buddhist monk stay. So big rock were cut to create a chaityas and viharas. The chaitya at Karle of Maharashtra is big and beautiful. Rock cut viharas are next to be chaityas. A white marble stupa at Amaravati of Andhra Pradesh is known for his artistic carving. So very beautiful temple can construct. The architectural creations of Shatavahanas can be found in Kannaganahalli in Kalburgi district and Bhanavasi of Uttar Kannada district also can construction. So very beautiful temples also, viharas also can construct. So another one, trade and towns. The period of Shatavahanas enjoyed economic prosperity. The main reasons for this, the trade that took place within the country of outside the country. Many towns of the empire were center of the trade. So other neighboring states also can came to, that is trading purpose only, many towns. So nowadays urban areas is there now. So as it is before also can construct many cities also. So that is only trading centers. The towns were called Nigamas. Paitana, Karle, Kanheri, Junar, and Nasik of Maharashtra, Dhyan, Dhanyaketa of Andhra Pradesh, and Vijayanti of Uttar Kannada district were the main center of the state trade, many trading center. So the town of societies named Shreni. They were the groups formed and many professionals. So before first agriculture, so trading purpose as traders also is there, and many professionals and traders to protect their interest. For example, the Dhanika Shreni, the societies of grocery merchants. Now also is their businessmen as it is same, and similarly smiths, goldsmiths, so many workers and potters and others had their own societies. Each Shreni had a senior who has called the Shreshti. The Shreshtis were usually rich people. One such Shreshti he has built a chaityas at Karle. Bullock carts, horses, and donkeys were used to for inland cargo movement. So anyone one place to another place, so transportation, so can use the that is the bullock cart and horses and donkeys were used in inland cargo movements, so one place to another place. The foreign trade was through the ports on the west and east coast of the empire. There are trade links with Rome during Shatavahana's period. So before also, children, not only nowadays, already we know that in 1498 many Europeans came to India, French, Britishers, Portuguese, so many. So in before also can one India to other country trading relationship is there. So you can understand, you go to 8th standard very deeply you can learn Shatavahana dynasty. What are the contribution? Very deeply you can learn, children. So another one dynasty, so this is Kadambas. Kadamba dynasty is the first Kannada dynasty of Karnataka. After Shatavahanas, Kadambas prospered in the northeast Karnataka. The founder of Kadamba dynasty is Mayuravarma. You know the one Kannada movie also is there, children. So Mayura Varma. Banavasi of Uttar Kannada district was the capital of Kadambas. The emblem of this dynasty was a lion. So that is the emblem of the Kadamba dynasty. So Kadamba's most places can occupied overall Karnataka. So in many places, Badami, Aihole, many places, Hanagal, Banavasi, Talagunda. So many places can occupied. So that is only Karnatakan regions only. So can occupied. So Kadambas, many Banavasi of Uttar Kannada district was the capital of Kadambas. The emblem of this dynasty was lion. So he is Mayuravarma, children. So most important king in Mauryan dynasty. He was only the established Kadamba dynasty. He was one of the famous king also. He was a Brahmin and had been Kanchi for his higher education. There he was insulted by a Pallava military officer. So once you watch the Mayuravarma Kannada movie, so you can understand clearly, children. Mayuravarma felt so offended that he decided to become a Kshatriya. So first he was Brahmin, he go to higher education to Kanchi. So once insulted Pallava military officer. So that time Mayuravarma offended that he decided he become a Kshatriya. He gathered the tribal people and attacked Pallavas. Finally, the king of Pallava accepted Mayuravarma as a king and gave away many places of Karnataka to him to rule. So he can occupy many places. Mayuravarma got the Chandravalli lake repaired near Chitradurga. Next, Kakutsavarma is also famous among all the Kadamba rulers that ruled after Mayuravarma. So already most and first Kannada inscription, so that is Halmidi inscription. So belong to this reasons only. Kadamba's time only can inscription can available. This is the first known inscription in Kannada till now. It is said that Kakutsavarma had a marital relationship with the Guptas and of North India. So it can maintain marital relationship only. So it can continue the reasons. So what is the contributions of Kadambas? Reasons: they were Shaivas and worshipped Pranaveshwara of Talagunda as well as Madhukeshwara of Banavasi. So can give the many Shaivas also, many people can follow the religion also, can encourage it. And Pranaveshwara Linga of Talagunda, his Shiva temple also, is the most ancient Shivalinga of Karnataka. Kadambas respected Buddhism and Vaishnava religion, thereby they established religious tolerance also. The literature and education. Prakrit, Sanskrit and Kannada were used. Kannada was only a spoken language. So literary contribution. So first Prakrit, next Sanskrit and Kannada were used. Kannada was only a spoken language. Now, so there is a Karnataka people, most of the people, there is a spoken language, there is mother tongue also. as it is same in Kadamba's time also. And this change can be seen Halmidi inscription. So gradually developed into Prakrit, Sanskrit and Kannada, very fastly developed. So Agrahara and many educational centers, especially Agraharas, Chowtries also can construction. That is the educational centers. Talakanda was a famous Agrahara and Kanchi was a famous Gatika Sthana. So that is a main institution, Gatika Sthana. So another one contribution, that is architecture. So can construction many temples also, Jain Basadi and Halasi, many, not only one or two. So that is Banavasi, many places can construct the many temples also, Agraharas also, and that is a contribution of the Kadamba's contribution. So depict their architecture style also, that is different in Shatavahanas and Kadamba. So that is lot of different differentiation is there. So this is the Kadamba's contribution. So many temples can construct. Thank you. Have a nice day, children.